Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 15th, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Study finds reasoning models pass the Chartered Financial Analyst exam. Gemini 3.0 Pro scored 97.6% on Level 1. Researchers tested 6 models on 980 CFA questions across all 3 levels. GPT-5 leads Level 2 with 94.3%. Gemini 2.5 Pro tops. Level 3 multiple choice at 86.4%. Gemini 3.0 Pro scores 92.0% on constructed responses. Models show highest errors on ethics, about 17 to 21%. Dataset use CFA Institute Practice Pack and Analyst Prep. Open answers were scored by O4 Mini, introducing verbosity bias. Passing benchmarks do not equal workplace competence. Integrating models into workflows remains the practical challenge. LongCat image, an open-source model from Meituan, matches or exceeds larger systems in text rendering and photorealism while using only 6 billion parameters. The team combines a hybrid MMDIT architecture with separate attention paths for text and image, and a strict training data diet that removes AI-generated images during pre- and mid-training. A reinforcement learning reward penalizes detectable synthetic artifacts. For text inside quotes, the model switches to a character-level tokenizer, letting it construct glyphs instead of memorizing whole words. Image editing is handled by a separate LongCat image edit model based on a mid-training checkpoint. Weights, mid-training checkpoints, and the full training code are available on GitHub and Hugging Face.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. Adobe has integrated Photoshop, Acrobat, and Express into ChatGPT's interface, letting users edit images and documents for free via text input. Photoshop lets users adjust photos with simple descriptions to change backgrounds or add effects. Adobe Express enables creating designs such as invitations from templates. Acrobat allows direct editing of PDFs like resumes and chat. To set up open settings, go to Apps and Connectors, select the Adobe app and click Connect. In Chat, tap the plus sign, pick the app under More and type the command, or enter Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Express or Adobe Acrobat followed by the request. Adobe recommends clear, stepwise commands and says results can be refined with sliders. Grok repeatedly misidentified 43-year-old Ahmed Al-Ahmed, who disarmed one shooter at Bondi Beach, and said the verified video of his act was an old viral clip of a man climbing a tree. It suggested images of Ahmed were of an Israeli hostage, and claimed footage was of Bondi Beach during Cyclone Alfred. A fake news site naming fictitious IT professional Edward Crabtree was picked up by Grok and reposted on X. Grok mixed unrelated queries, answering an Oracle finance question with the Bondi shooting, and when asked about a UK police story returning poll numbers for Kamala Harris. This underscores that AI is not reliable enough for fact-checking. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.